Today is the first day of the rest of my vlog life. There's going to be a lot of shenanigans, a lot of experiences. So what are we doing today? Well, today, something to do with hawks. That's right, I said hawks. So you're just going to have to keep on watching. But make sure you like this video, make sure you leave me a cheeky comment, and make sure you subscribe. So let's go get it. Might actually help. I knew where I was going. There's my phone. Suitable footwear. I'm wearing trainers. CW9. Alright. Let's see how long it's going to take us to get there. The day is young.
The route is being calculated.
Oi oi. It's not that far away. Let's go get it. Oh my gosh. Ready? Go, 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 go. We've arrived where we need to be. Now we're trying to find our location where we get to meet these hawks. So I got text and he says we have to turn the way we came out of the car park and then go left. On the other side. Yay. How you gonna wash it though?
I always have water.
Still can't find this place. I think we're going the right way now. Definitely think that this place should invest in some signage because this has been a bit of a faff. So yeah, if you come in here, Stockley Farm, Birds of Prey, you might have a time finding it, but you will find it. The owl has just flown off into the car park, so we're just waiting. But yeah, you know, so far so good. Once the actual experience is finished, I'll be able to give a better, shall we say, review on it, say whether it's worth it or not. But you know, the surroundings are nice, the people are nice, and the birds are very nice. It's nice to kind of get experience with these kind of birds. So you know, we'll do more, see how it goes, and then I'll let you know. Experience is over.
Oh, okay.
What was it like? So you get to fly, or not fly, but catch, I guess, 3 different birds of prey. Four. There was a kestrel, 2 owls, and then the falcon.
And the falcon.
So that was pretty good. The location, spot on.
So nice.
Very pretty, you know. We're in the grounds of a country hall, and we're about to go and sample the cafe now.
Yes.
So you're in the grounds of a country hall. I think the only disappointing thing would be no Harris hawk, because that was like the main attraction. Vanessa booked this as a surprise, and obviously she's seen the original advert. It said Woodlands Walk, and it said Harris hawk as well, Birds of Prey. So I'm guessing without that, it's still good, but I think that would have just finished it off just right. So hopefully in future they'll change that. Chocolate, the San Pellegrino, a Victoria sponge, and a chocolate fudge cake. Is it worth it? We'll see. We'll see. These cakes appeal to me the most, so that's what I'm going to try. I think this cake is vegan. I don't know. If it is, I don't mind vegan cake. It's dead like quiet here, but you know, I'm just going to do me. I'm just going to eat, vlog, get on with life. The chocolate cake is definitely vegan. This food, cake, mine's delicious. Nest likes hers, I'll show you hers in a minute. My vegan cake was actually nicer than the normal cake. So the vegan cake I'll probably give like a 7. The normal Victoria sponge slice thing I'll probably give like 4. Maybe a 5. Wow. The hot chocolate was alright, but there's loads of chocolate at the bottom and I don't like overly sweet things. So I'll probably give that 6. Maybe a 7. Wow. It was actually alright, maybe a 7. You know, If you're gonna charge high prices, make it high quality, high taste, yeah, and just a good experience for your customer. You know what I mean? And that will get a 10 though is the good old San Pellegrino.
That's what drove up the
Ooyy.
price.
How much was it?
For about £3.
Yeah, I reckon everything on this tray averaged like £2.50 each, just over.
Yeah,
it
that
came
was
to just
quite
over
good.
11.
I think that's good.
£11.
What is the
£11
San
for
Pellegrino?
that?
It's San Pellegrino.
I don't think that's good, especially when it wasn't that tasty. That kid runs in my shop, and I have to blur it. What? I don't think you saw it though. Get to sign a release form or image to go on YouTube. I'm gonna end the vlog here because now my phone battery's dying. My camera's already died, so you know that's that. But yeah, let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, more experiences, more vlogs, just more about life, really. You know, that's all it is. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it. There's gonna be more next week, more where it came from. So, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, add me on social media, Instagram, Snapchat, it's all down there. Get it done, and I'll see you in the next video. Ooyy.